So I'm visiting family that live near the Russian River in the Redwoods, and this is a little creek that is a tributary that feeds into the Russian River. It's really beautiful here. It always stays a little bit cooler here under the canopy than it does when you get out in the sun. And yeah, this is just real pretty. So anyway, I thought I'd taken a little walk, and I got to the point where I had reached clearly private property within view of where I was walking, and so I figured that path was no longer a good path because I don't want to intrude on someone's personal space. So back we're going, and I figured I'd do a little video on the way back so you can see how beautiful it is here. Oh, look at all the blackberries. These flowers, they're so pretty. I love it here. It's really pretty. And I wanted to share it with you. I like this hanging ivy. Not sure if the trees like it, but I think it's beautiful. Let's see, let's get around to the side where we're in the shades so you get that angle, because that's a really cool angle too. It's like, I don't know. It's beautiful, I think. It's beautiful. Alright, there's the water. We're gonna now see on this side, there's a path. There's a couple different paths over here that you can walk up. I think there was one over there. You can walk up and get to that side of the road. So there's a road up there. You see the building, there's a road up there. And it leads into town. When there's a little market and stuff. Gas station and stuff like that. Now we're gonna climb over this. There we go. I did it. And there's the creek. Now you can hear the cars from here, but in all fairness, there's very little traffic because very few people live this far out. We are almost to the coast, but the closer you get the coast that you get, the more expensive it gets because everything has to be trucked there. And that all gets added into the price. And there's not a lot of jobs out here. So, but man, it's pretty. And it's still expensive to live here, even though there's no work. And there's another spot where you could go up a pathway to get up to that side of the road if you wanted to. I don't want to. Now, there's properties along that side of the river, and then on the other side of the properties, there's also a road up there. So, it's very pretty. Oh, I'm so pleased to be able to share it with you. Alright, we're gonna hop and probably get our feet wet. Let's see. That's not really a hop, is it? Oh, yep, got 1 foot wet. That's always... I made it across the first time try, but that's alright. It's worth it. It's so pretty here. So incredibly beautiful. You see the reflection in the water. So pretty. I know it's not exciting. Not big flashbang stuff happening. No big news flash. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And of course there's blackberries. Now this whole creek bed fills up in the winter. And on every few years, the houses right along the creek do flood, all of them. Which is another reason why not a lot of people live here. Because every few years you gotta replace all your stuff. But, so they just don't buy expensive stuff. And you know what? It's beautiful. It's totally worth it. Like, I mean, heck, I think the insurance, the first insurance payout paid for buying the property in the first place. It's just heaven here. It is absolutely heaven. Well, I'm going to head back up the path now. So because my hammock is over there somewhere. So thanks for sharing this walk with me. Have a great day.